Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 7th, 2022. We're here to talk about Gala Games. We're trying to figure out if this cryptocurrency can run another 30% because you guys can see, let me go ahead and zoom in on this chart. You all can see how the market in Gala has already ran up 30% just a day ago. Yesterday, January the 6th, 2023, the market in Gala went ahead and ran up 29, almost 30% on the close. So I wanted to come in today and speak to all this to, are we going to see this continue? That's the question that we're going to try to answer today on this video. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. First of all, you guys can see all the way back here to the left of the chart, I did a price prediction in Gala all the way back here on October the 8th, looking for the price to go higher. You guys can see the next day on October the 9th, the market almost came up there to our ultimate TP price. This wasn't a massive price prediction. You guys can see we had a very tight rectangle in regards to how high it's going to look for the price to go, and even how low it's going to look for the market to go. So you guys can see that initially price in Gala did fall, but then not long after October the 8th, October the 15th, you guys can see it. The market came all the way up there to our TP price. So at least 7.25% was had in a couple of days of us creating this price prediction. So let's go ahead and cut that out the way. And let's talk about the market right now in Gala. So first thing we're going to do is we already recognize where the first area of resistance is currently at in Gala, and it's right here. Okay, so we already know this. So in order for us to try to gauge another 30% run up into the market in Gala, we need to go ahead and see 30% is at. Okay, are we next to a resistance area for the market in Gala to go ahead and fall another 30%? So let's go ahead and draw this out real quick, because I think you guys can tell we will be. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about this. Let's look at the market in Gala on the 5-day chart real quick, because we are now noticing the price in Gala breaking trend, right? We were in a downtrend ever since this 5-day price bar beginning in December. Well, now we're getting a wider spread move upside in the market for Gala. Now we just have to wait and see if the buyers are going to continue to hold price right there around 0.023 cents. Okay, we need to see them hold it right here, because if they do, then yeah, we have a prospect of looking for a Gala to continue to run higher. Okay, we can expect that. So let's go ahead and create this area. We want to make sure that buyers first have to come in and prop up price right now where it's at, because if it does, then we can say, all right, cool, the chances are for the market in Gala to continue to trend higher. If it doesn't, then we're going to come back down to around 2 cents. It is what it is. We're trying to get prepared for the market price action, because currently on this current 3-day price bar, this is selling. Sellers are coming into the market in Gala, and it is what it is. If the buyers don't hold it, then don't act like nobody came and actually told you be prepared for the market to go down towards 2 cents. Okay, look at this on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3-hour chart, and this is where I'm seeing the selling. Like, I'm not that bullish right now. I'm just going to keep it real. All of these 3-hour price bars is definitely telling me that the market is getting hit with some sellers right here. All of these 3-hour price bars is telling us that there's selling going on. So I'm not going to put in a price prediction right now looking for the market in Gala to go higher. I think we're going to see price go down initially, which we need to get prepared to allow the market to go down. Now, I got two areas. 0.023 is the closest area of support. My second one's going to be around 0.022. Now, after this move to the downside, which we are anticipating to happen, we need to see the buyers come through. If they do, then this will be an opportunity for us to see buyers come in and try to break that market up above 2.5 cents, because it's not doing it right now. That is a massive sell wall right there around 2.5 cents in Gala. So I'm not going to look for the price to go higher as of yet. But after we see this next leg down, then we'll have an opportunity to see the market in Gala try to break 2.5 cents to the upside. So let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So right now, what I'm looking at is for Gala to come down, right? And then try to break back up to around 2.5 cents. That's the expectation. But we cannot expect that until we see buyers approach the market in Gala either around 0.023 or, let me put this back on the 3-hour, 0.023 or 0.021. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. because this is the first objective for us to see the market in Gala do. Okay, so as of right now, we know that 2.5 cents is holding back the price in Gala from going higher. Our first price target is going to be right here around 0.023. The sooner we hit that support area and we see buyers, the better. Okay, so that's our first price target. My second one's going to be around 0.022. Okay, now I don't want to see price fall all the way down here to 2 cents or 2.5 cents, but if it does, then it's less likely that the market's going to break 2.5 cents. That's going to be my third price target, but I don't want to see it happen. But if it does, I understand why. It's because this 2.5 cents is definitely showing us a whole lot of selling coming into the market. Okay, so again, let me reiterate. I'm looking for price initially to go down in Gala. Now 0.023 is one target, 0.022 is the second target, and 0.02 is the third price target. The sooner we grab support, the better for us to see another opportunity for the market in Gala to try to break 2.5 cents. Okay, so let's say that we get the market in Gala do something like this. It comes down, buyers come into the market at 0.023, and we begin to see the market. It's going to be a bigger move higher. But if the buyers don't come in at 0.023 and we come down to 0.022, then it's going to take the market a little longer to finally come up here and test that 2.5 cents again. And if we don't hold 0.022, we come all the way down here, then we're definitely not really expecting the market to break above 2.5 cents in Gala. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to clean this chart up because I don't want to cause any confusion in the markets. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this line there, and we're going to bring this line a little bit lower to where we are expecting the market ultimately in Gala to get to. You guys can see it's up there around 0.027. Okay, so we're going to hold that there. Okay, so this is going to be in stages. First stage is us noticing how soon buyers come into the market. Second stage is for the buyers to try to break 2.5 cents to the upside. And the third stage is for us to run up there to that 30-cent price target that I talked about, which is all the way up here. Okay, now we have this area that's going to hold back price though. I'm just giving you all the heads up too. So I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know, what do you think about the market in Gala? Do you think it's going to continue to shoot high in price, or you think we're going to go down initially then go up? Like, what are you seeing on the charts? Let me know. Let all of our subscribers know. Let everyone who's on our team know what you think. And that's it. Hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of this content. Tap that bell notification as well, because I want you to be the first one to know about my videos as to where price is going to go without any confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.